Hello everyone, in this video we can solve this PEMDAS question. What is the answer of this question? Many people solve this question by this wrong method. So first we do wrong method. Now here wrong method. Wrong method. Now first do parenthesis 8 divide 2. Now here is time signs. 8 divide 2 gives us 4. Here 2 times 4 gives us 8, and finally 8 divide 8 gives us 1. But guys, believe me, this answer absolutely wrong, because we didn't follow the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS. Now we solve this expression with right method. Right method. Right method. Now in this expression, one is division, multiplication and parenthesis according to order of operation, which is called PEMDAS. PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, P for parenthesis, E for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition and S for subtraction. Here in this expression, one is parenthesis, multiplication and division. We know that parenthesis has higher priority than other expression. So first we do parenthesis. 8 divide 2 times 4. Now in this expression, division and multiplication. We know that multiplication and division have equal priority. Always work from left to right. So in this expression, first we do division. 8 divide 2 gives us 4, then times 4 finally gives us 16. This is the right answer. Tell me in the comment section what is your answer of this question. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Now solve another example.